Here in today's video, I'll be showing the latest method on how you can actually withdraw your Wise money to USDT. So if you check, like Binance actually announced early this year that they are no longer using Wise on P2P again. So if you come to P2P and you actually filter your payment option to US dollar and you're actually looking for Wise in the payment option, you will discover that Wise is no longer there again. So as you can see, not found. And if you check my YouTube channels, I actually make video about how you can actually withdraw transfer Wise or Wise money to Binance P2P. So this video is no longer updated. That is reason why I'm making this consecutive video. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are seeing me here for the first time, because I actually make video about how to make money online. So now let me review the website I'm actually using to do my P2P trading. So as you can see, this is the website which is called OKX.com. So I actually discovered this website after several attempts and research. I actually received money to my Wise account and I'm unable to withdraw the money. So I continue doing research on how I can be able to withdraw this money. So eventually I find this particular website. So this particular website, which is called OKX.com, allow you to trade most of your cryptocurrency. And if you are in the crypto niche, you actually understand that there is a particular airdrop that just been launched recently, which is called ICE. So this particular platform is actually coming up and it's very, very reliable. So I'm going to be dropping a link to OKX inside the video description. If you actually sign up using this link, you are going to get $3 reboot to trade any coin you like. So now what you have to do to get started with OKX is actually to sign up. So you are going to sign up with your email. So I'm not going to be showing you the process of signing up because this video might be very, very long. So you are going to sign up with your email, your password, and different information about you. Then the important thing is you have to verify your KYC. You have to verify your national ID card or voter's card. You can use any of them to verify your identity before you can do P2P trade on OKX. So let's assume that you already verify your account on OKX. So the next thing we have to do now is to actually come to this buy crypto option, then click on P2P trading. So we are going to click on P2P trading to actually start trading on OKX. So as you can see, this particular platform is one of the best in the market, very, very competitive to Binance. So if you are in any country, you can trade your USDT to your local currency. As you can see, you can trade it to NGN, which is Naira. So but we actually focus on trading our Wise balance to USDT. So let's change it to US dollar. So we are going to change it to US dollar. So as you can see, we are going to click on US dollar. Then we are going to filter the payment option to Wise. So I actually make video about how you can actually trade your Pioneer to USDT. So I'm going to drop it inside the video description in this video so you can watch it. So as you can see, we are going to click on Wise payment option, and this particular platform is going to filter all the people that want to sell their Wise for USDT. So as you can see, this particular person wants to sell their Wise for USD, and this particular person has done like 445 transactions and 99.9 completion rate and 98.51 review. So but the problem is the amount they are selling is quite high, so we can't use them. Okay, so let's find another one because the amount we actually have over here is $143. So we are going to be looking for the one that I want to sell below $143. Okay, as you can see, this person is actually starting from $100 to $1,317 US. So and this person have 287 transactions, 98.96 completion rate and 99.24 review. So and this person is online, so I think we should go with this person because it is one of the best options we can trade for. So we are going to start the trade by clicking on buy over here, then come over to our Wise account. So we are going to copy the amount we have on our Wise account. So copy, then come over to OKX again. So we are going to paste the amount over here. So as you can see, when we are buying with this seller, we are going to get $140 and there's going to be a fee of $3. So I think we are good to go. We are really much okay by this. We are going to click on buy with zero fee. So we are going to click on buy with zero fee and the trade is going to be placed. So let's confirm if they actually agree with this one. So we are going to click on confirm and the trade is going to be placed automatically on OKX. So as you can see, it's loading up. So this is it. So I'm going to blur it. I'm going to blur the email of this particular person because it's against YouTube policy to be showing someone's email. So I'm going to blur it out. So next thing we have to do now is to copy the email, then come to over to Wise and send the payment. So we are going to click on send over here. So and we are going to enter, let's enter the amount we want to send, which is 140. I think we should enter 143. Then the next, we are going to click on next. Then we are going to enter the email of the recipient. So we are going to copy the email, come over to Wise, paste the email over here. So as you can see, let's confirm the name. If the name is matching up, okay, I think the name is matching up. So we are going to click on it. So the next thing is actually to confirm this payment and send the money. So we are going to click on confirm to pay. As you can see, I have to enter my password to confirm the payment. So confirm, and they are going to send OTP to my phone number. So I'm going to enter the OTP to actually complete the trade. I'll be expecting the OTP very soon. So I actually received the OTP. So let me enter the OTP to complete the transaction. So the OTP is, so I've successfully entered the OTP. The next thing is to click on done to actually make sure that the buyer actually release our USDT and you start trading on OKX. So it's loading up. It's going to take a while. So as you can see, we are all done. So let's click on done to actually make a screenshot of this payment. So as you can see, this is the transaction detail. So we are going to make a screenshot because we are going to need it for the next thing we have to do. So let's click on this particular Chrome extension. I'm going to make a screenshot of this payment. So then click on capture, then download, save. So the last thing we have to do now is actually to come to OKX. Since we have made a payment, we are supposed to notify the seller that we have made a payment, that they should release the money. So mind you, if you have not made a payment to the seller, you are not supposed to confirm this payment, because if you do, OKX might actually immediately suspend your account. So let's click on I've made a payment, then come over to the screenshot, upload the screenshot over here, then click on confirm payment, and we are going to wait for the seller to actually release our money, and actually you can convert it to that currency. So I'm going to pause this video and continue it as soon as the seller actually release this money.
A few moments later.
So welcome back, guys. After waiting for about some minutes, like the seller actually released the USDT, so we are going to rate it positive, then click on submit. So as you can see, like order fulfilled and the crypto has been released to our account. You can actually view the asset over here. We are going to click on view asset to actually see the amount. So if you're actually gaining value in this content, I would actually recommend you should subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to be getting latest update from me. As you can see, this is the amount I currently have in my USD account, and this is the recent trade we actually made, which is $140 USDT. So I'm going to be dropping the link to OKX inside the video description. So if you use this link, you'll be given $3 to trade on OKX. So, and if you are the kind of person that want to do arbitrage, you can be buying Wise from your fellow colleagues and be selling it at this particular platform, because it's few people that actually know this platform exists. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn how to do Pioneer to USDT, ensure to watch this next video that is going to display on your screen. Thanks.